Class, stand. Let's get out our fish before we start our paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let him go again. Why did you let him go? Because he bit my finger so. Which finger did he bite? He bit the little one on the right. Give it a kiss. Nice. Sit down. Hands in your lap and eyes this way. We have some more fun objects to count and some numbers. Are we going to circle the objects or the numbers?
The numbers.
The numbers today. So that means we really have to watch with our eyes, because this is just like when we were using our flannel board and we are looking at the objects and you're counting the objects and then you have to make the number. But instead of making the number this time, you're going to circle the number. So you really have to use the brain that God gave you. Now when we count from left to right. So let's count. Are you ready? Begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job. Did you see how I counted? I didn't go like this. I didn't skip around all around the board, around this box. You have to go in order. We have to stay in order. Just like when we count, we don't go 1 and then 15 and 21, 7, 54, 4. We don't count like that, do we? No, that would be really hard to do that. It really would be. You wouldn't know, especially if you were counting out money. You can't count money like that. You wouldn't know how much money you had, or you'd pay too much for something or not enough for something. So you have to stay in order. So when we count in order. We go from this way to this way, back and forth, and we stay in order. So how many leaves were there?
10.
10. And so let's look at the numbers right here. What number is that? 9.
7, 10.
So which one am I going to circle?
10.
And what does 10 look like? A 1 and a 0. Good job. So we're going to do that with each one of these. We're going to count. Luke, we're going to count all of these pictures, and then we are going to circle the right number. Class, stand. Turn your chairs quietly in the table, and go ahead and take this paper out. Boys and girls watching, get your paper ready as well. Wow, look at that boy. He is working hard. Good job, Connor. Mila, you're ready. Carter is ready. Ooh, table 3 is almost all ready. Nice work. Take out your pencil. Pencil check. Nice. Good job, Catherine. Her helper hands in the corner. She is sitting up straight and tall. Her shoulders are up. She has her mommy and daddy ready, and the babies are already tucked in. They're in their seatbelt. Good job. Nice work. Circle number 10 in the leaves. Circle number 10 for the leaves, and then pencil rest on your paper. Count the nuts in the next box. Let's see how many nuts are there. Count them in your brain. Kayla, how many? 12. Good. I'm glad she is counting in her brain and thinking. Way to work hard. 12. What does number 12 look like? Oh.
1 and 2.
Go ahead and circle number 12. Now, let's think. Let's use our brain for just a minute. We have, how many leaves did we have?
10.
And how many nuts are there?
12.
Which one has more, the leaves or the nuts?
The nuts.
The nuts, that's right, because 12 is more than 10. Good job. Good way to use your brain. Go down to the frogs. How many frogs, Elijah?
11.
11. Circle number 11. We'll check your work in just a minute. pencil rest, so I know that you're done circling. Pencil rest. Boys and girls watching, how do you make a number 11? Yes, a 1 and a 1. Good job. Go to the bells. Count the bells in your brain. Carter, how many? 10. Let's see if he's right. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Circle number 10. We had how many frogs? 11. Oh, I'm glad somebody was listening to my question. Elijah, answer that again. How many frogs?
11.
Yes, good job. And how many bells?
10.
Now listen to this question. Which one is less, the frogs or the bells?
The bells.
The bells. Boys and girls watching, I heard you. The bells, because 10 is less than 11. What is less than 11? 10. So the frogs have more than the bells. Turn your paper over. Now, we're going to do something fun on this page today with number time. This is what we're going to do. Put your pencils to bed, take out your crayons. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a kite. You're going to watch me and you're going to do it too. Watch me. I'm just going to draw the top of the kite and then we're going to do some number things with it. Watch Mrs. Stewart. Are you ready? I'm going to draw a short stick, slant stick, then another slanted stick so it looks like an upside down ice cream cone, doesn't it? I want you to do that right now. Just do that part. Take out your orange crayon. Orange crayon, check. That means your elbow is up, just like Kyla's and Lauren's. Good job. Just like the boys and girls watching. Daddy says, Mommy says, and the baby say, excellent. All right. Go ahead and do what I just did at the top of the page. A slanted stick and another slanted stick. And then eyes on me so you can see how to make the rest of the kite. Good. Keep your orange crayon in your hand. Now we made 2 short sticks. Now we're going to make 2 long sticks. So I'm going to go here, long, and another long stick. Do that now. And you connect it. And then orange crayons back in your box. Now, watch what I'm going to do. This is kind of like the back of your kite because we're going to do something special with it. So watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw a line all the way through it like that because the kites have sticks in them to help them stay up and so they don't kind of go like this. So you're going to draw a straight stick down and a straight stick across. This is our kite that we're flying. Go ahead and do that now. A straight stick down and a straight stick across. And put your black crayon down. Your brown crayon down. Then you're going to get out your black crayon. Get out your black crayon. Now you're going to make your kite string. And I'm going to make it look really fun like it's flying. So watch. I'm going to curve around and around and around and around. Go ahead and do that now. Curve around and around and around and around and down to the bottom of your page. This is going to give us lots of room for our fun thing that we're going to do. Okay, and then your crayons go back in your box. And eyes this way. Now, This is where we have to, 1, listen with our brain. 2, listen with our ears, 2, think in your brain. So we're going to think in our brain, we're going to listen with our ears, and watch with our eyes what the teacher is saying. Watch me. I am going to put on a kite, it always has some bows that help it to make it look pretty, and it even helps the wind to catch it and make it fly. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put 6 blue bows. Watch me. I'm just going to make a little circle and some loops. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so that you can see what it looks like. Let me grab a piece of chalk. This is what I did. Here's our line. I made a circle. Now you're going to make it small because you want to get lots of bows on here. If you make them too big, then you won't get to finish this paper. I'm making it big so you can see what I'm doing. And then I put a little loop and another little loop. But you do it small on your paper. Take out your blue crayon. How many bows did I make?
6.
6. So you watched me do it. You listened how many I said. Now you count in your brain and you make 6 blue bows on your kite. Come check. See how you do it. Make 6 of them. Joseph, I see that you listened. You did 6 blue bows, but you're not going to be able to get the rest of the bows on there. You did them too big. Let's look at this girl's right here. She made 6 blue bows. She did a good job. Way to go. Nice job, Kyla. Okay, when you've made your 6 blue bows, put your crayons back in your box. Now I'm going to take out my red crayon and I'm going to make 3 red bows. How many?
3 red bows.
3 red bows. Go ahead and do that now with your red crayon. Make 3 red bows. Nice. Very nice. Look at these. Good job. I'm going to have to show a couple of these. Let me show you Connor and Bethany's. Didn't they do a good job? How are you doing, boys and girls watching? Are you making them small enough so we can get some more in there? Good job. All right. Now I'm going to do my favorite color. Are you ready? How many bows should I make, Jonathan?
4.
You want 4? Well, let's see. Okay, we can do 4. Take out your yellow crayon and make 4 yellow bows. Let me show this one right here. Nice. Very nice. Johanna, pick a color.
Purple.
Purple. All right, Johanna, how many bows should we make?
10.
10. Oh, this is going to be a lot. I hope you are making your bows small. Take out your purple crayon and let's do 10 bows. Very nice. Bless you. Bless you, bless you. Very cool. Boys and girls watching, show us your kites so I can see your bows. Oh, nice. You are really having a great day. Good job. How many purple bows did we want?
10.
10. Good job. I love that hard work. Now, you know that I really, really like polka dots. So we're going to put some polka dots in our kite. So I'm going to get out my green crayon and I am going to put some polka dots. Are you ready? Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 green polka dots. Take out your green crayon check, and make how many polka dots?
19.
19. Ooh, that's big. Put them in your kite. I'm going to find a paper that I can count 19 polka dots. Boys and girls watching, will your on-site teacher be able to find your paper have 19 polka dots? I hope so. I love polka dots. Let me check this girl's. I found one. This girl has 19 green polka dots. She did it. Wow. Way to go, Johanna. Who else can I find that put green, who followed the directions all the way and put green polka dots? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Ah, how many more do you need to add? Let's check this, girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. She did it. 19 polka dots. Look at those. Way to go. I like it. Very nice. Do you have 19 too? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. This girl did it. Right there. Whoa, Nellie, we have got it. Good job. Way to work hard today with our fun paper. Not only did you circle the right numbers on the front, counting those objects and using your brain, but we had fun with our kite paper, with our bows and our polka dots. Boys and girls watching, keep working hard.